Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft, and in this particular video we are going to do the unboxing of the Mi 11 Lite, and this is one of the lightest phone available in the market, and this is a 4G phone, not a 5G phone. So would recommend to anyone who is looking to get a phone very slim, sleek on a budget. I got this phone for a very attractive price on Flipkart, so we decided to purchase it and give our first impression after unboxing it. So without a further ado, let's get started. So let us just unbox the Mi 11 Lite, and this is the 4G model which I have with me, and it comes with a nice display guys, around 1 billion, and it's very poppy I would say. And this is just my hands-on impressions guys, and just the unboxing of it. So also, if you like this kind of videos, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and please do not forget to press that bell notification icon to get any future updates whenever we upload any new video. So in the box we get some documentation, and it's a nice thing that Xiaomi always include this particular case. And this is not having any headphone jack because the phone is very slim, so we have a dongle over here. So the phone is almost 6.8 millimeter thin guys, and again in the box we get a nice fast charger which is almost 33 watt, and this is pretty good guys. I really like it when big companies, they really include a charging adapter. And this is how it looks guys, and this is the cosmic black which I got, and this is actually a mirror, so believe it or not, this will reflect everything what it says or what comes against it. And I really like this color compared to other one, the blue and other colors and all. You all can do check it. And the fingerprint is embedded inside the power button, which is the best sweet spot. And we have a tray which also includes the micro SD card, so Xiaomi have done a great thing with this. And this phone is available for around 23,000 guys, or 22. So based on offer and all, you can get the price less. And this is a fingerprint magnet, I would say. Like as you can see, I've just unboxed it, and it is already having all my stains from my fingers. And again, this module is quite good. It is very unique, I would say, not looking like Apple, but definitely guys, as you can see over here from this video, it is just of a mirror at the back. So if you are interested in getting any color, please get the cosmic black, because it is really interesting. And I know most of your people have been complaining me that they are getting a lot of junk and those bloatware. So you have to be very careful when you are setting up this particular phone. So one mistake in setting up this phone will give you lots of bloatware, so do keep that in mind. And you all have to just untick all of this, most of the junkware and all the ads and all. By the way guys, I'm not able to see any bloatware on my particular unit which I have it with me. So this is what I did. So again, I just want to show it to you all. So what are the settings which you need to be very careful, and this location and all can be turned off guys. So please be very careful when you are setting, and you won't be able to see any bloatware. Maybe the one which I got is the Mi and not the Redmi. So the one phones which comes with Mi branding are generally having, I guess, no bloatware. And let me know in the comments below if you are seeing any bloatware on your Redmi or Xiaomi devices. So presently I had no bloatware guys, so I had no issues with this. So, and again, it comes with the standard Poco launcher. By the way, this is a 6.5 inch Super AMOLED display. It comes with a 1 billion color, and basically it is having a battery of 4250 milliamp hour, and the battery life is quite good. And again, I'll be telling more about this in my full review. So I have recorded this video pretty earlier, and now I'm doing just a voiceover of this particular video. So again, there are a lot of things which you all have to be careful with it. As I said, like most of this junkware or bloatware can be uninstalled from Google, etc., and directly you all can just swipe it and push it on top and just install it, which is really like a nice kind of touch. And majority of the apps, like even Xiaomi's music player, etc., can be uninstalled guys. So I kind of like that part about Xiaomi. And then again, I had to use platform tools, the ADB platform tools, to remove the other packages like the me credit and all, which was not removable. And if you are setting up this particular phone, you all definitely do need to check out the the dark mode, because the black is really black in this particular phone, guys. And I really like the black the dark mode on the Mi 11 Lite compared to any other phone. Also, you can just change and play around with the saturation and all. So, and I guess this is the saturated version. If you just go to something like auto and all, then you can make it a bit cooler and all, as per your preference. And the display is fantastic, guys. It comes with a punch hole display, and this is on the left, and while gaming or watching videos, that is almost like negligible, I would say. And this phone is very light. It is 157 grams, and that makes it one of the lightest 6.5-inch phone ever. And again, the slimness, I mean to say the thickness of this phone is just 6.8 millimeter. It is thinner than my iPhone 12 mini. And then again, it is having this always on display and all, which is fantastic. The fingerprint is pretty fast, guys. Sometimes even I have to change certain setting, because the moment I touch it, it just unlocks it. And I think this is one of the fastest fingerprint I've seen. Overall, I feel the build quality is superb, the networks are great, and the display is great, and even including the battery, guys. I was getting full 2 days as per my moderate usage. And again, the only downside I feel, so if you're not using case like me, because I generally don't use case, so you have to clean this particular phone each and every time, guys. So again, that's a con which comes with every glass phone. And as you can see, the RAM management is also great. Let me also show you the cameras, guys. And it has the majority of the modes which comes with generally Xiaomi phones, something like the dual mode, then the clone mode, etc. We can be very creative with this, especially if you are a TikToker or a person who likes to lot of reels on Instagram. This is highly recommended, and I've been using this for some of my reels and all. So overall, the hands-on, I've been using this phone for maybe like 15 days, and till what I know, it is good. But the autofocusing is not that great, I would say, compared to those phones which are having a dedicated laser autofocus like the K20 Pro and all. So I would say the autofocus is decent enough, but not something great. Also, please note one thing, that this phone only supports 4K up to 30 fps and not 60 fps. So I don't know how many of you all are going to record in 4K. And this is it, guys. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this particular phone, whether you are thinking of buying it or just skipping it. So I hope you all enjoyed this particular video as much as we did while creating it. And do check out these awesome videos which we have it, and do subscribe to my channel, because we keep on getting nice awesome content. Again, thanks a lot for watching this particular video, and see you in my next video.